of the Constitution that if by any chance you are approved, you will be swearing to protect and adhere to. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I'll start with that very point. This is the Woodley Estate. Woodley Estate is a property that belongs to now the county government of Nairobi. And I want to put it very clearly here that I stayed in Woodley and our family has always had that premises. Now I want to put it on record that to this day we pay rent to the county government of Nairobi. At no time has that property ever been transferred. I want to put it on record here that the ethics or the Kenya anti-corruption body at that time